Bookworm with Monica and Sarah.
Hi friends, my name is Manat and today we're going to read I Broke My Trunk, written by Lou Williams. Start to reading!
I Broke My Trunk, written by Lou Williams. I broke my trunk. I have not seen Goel'z today. Why? Goel'z? What happened to your trunk? I broke my trunk. How did you break your trunk? It is a long, crazy story. Tell it. Well, I was playing with Hippo. Then I had an idea. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk. Why? Okay, because so I lift Hippo onto my trunk. But a hippo on your trunk is heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. There is more to my story. Then Rhino showed up. Rhino wanted a turn. What did you do? I lifted both onto my trunk. But a hippo and a rhino on your trunk are very heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. There is more to my story. Then Hippo's sister showed up. Hippo has a sister? A big sister. Did she want a turn too? Yes. She also wanted to play her piano. Two hippos, one rhino, and a piano on your trunk is very, very heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No, this is a long, crazy story. How did you break your trunk? Well, I was so proud of what I have done that I ran to tell my very best friend about it. But I tripped and fell. Whoop! And broke my trunk. You broke your trunk running to tell me your story? That is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to tell someone your crazy story. Whoop! Piggy, what happened to your snout? It is a long, crazy story.